calling the doctor's office. Thomas has some symptoms. He has a cold and a sore throat. Thomas calls the doctor's office.
Receptionist. Good afternoon. How can I help you?
Thomas, I need an appointment with the doctor, please.
Receptionist. Are you a new patient?
Thomas, no, I have seen the doctor before.
Receptionist. What are your symptoms?
Thomas, I have a cold and a sore throat.
Receptionist. What is your phone number, please?
Thomas, my phone number is 78055551234.
Receptionist. What is your address, please?
Thomas, my address is 123 Main Street.
Receptionist. You have an appointment with the doctor tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Please bring your healthcare card.
Thomas, sure, thank you very much.
Receptionist. You're welcome.